Yo guys, welcome to our first ever video. I'm with Jensen, my friend, who's behind the camera at the moment. We're doing our bike check. Let's go. Right, we'll start off with the bars. Basically, we've got worn out grips. Got some Odyssey bar ends. Got Harrow bars with Harrow stem. Full GT with the forks as well. Got a Harrow seat. Got 50/50 pedals, Crank Brothers. Then we got Kenda tyres for both. And then we got G303 rims for both as well. My dust caps are Dice. I've got an Exposure purple sprocket. And then got a brake. Right, it's a back brake, I'm using it for a front lever. Then I've got two pegs. And yeah, that's the end of my bike, and we're now about to move to Jensen's.
Hello, my name is Jensen and we're going to go straight into my bike check now. And starting off with the bars. I don't know what bars these are, came with the bike, you know. And then got some nice red premium grips and bar ends. Moving on to the stem, I've got a cracked stem with my friend Alex. He tightened it too much and he snapped it. I've got some fat Harrow tyres with a red rim and red bullets on both sides. Yeah, and then we've got fat pegs. Yep, both front and back. Got some plastic pedals, came with the bike. Nice red Harrow sprocket. A chain finally as they keep snapping. 14 tooth back rim and a nice mongoose soft seatlet. Nice. And my frame that I'm running is a Dub BMX and complete forks with it. So yeah, that's the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.